Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the Jewel Box. So Jewel Box is by Erica, and I absolutely love Erica's shop, her products and so forth. She used to have a shop that I never ordered anything from because I just felt like it was always going to sell out, and it did. And she used to make like little clay pieces, like charms and so forth. But anyway, that was Ella Isis Jewels, and she now has a subscription box that comes out, I think, bi-monthly. And this is my second box. I don't know if I shared the first box with you guys, but yeah, I did, I think. Yeah. But this one is called The Beat, and I absolutely love her box. I had it probably for a couple weeks now, and I should have been shared it, but I want to go ahead and use the items and then put away some of them and share with you guys because it's an awesome box. So go check out her website, which is the Jewel Box, and to get on her waiting list. I know sometimes she'll might have some extra items too that she'll open up like weeks later, so you just have to be on the lookout, and I think she just did that, so I don't know what's left, but I'll make sure I put it down below. Okay, and I just absolutely love Erica's spirit. She's so sweet and so kind. Okay, so it comes in this bag here, and a lot of the planner girls or scrap crafty girls, you know, we keep bags and so forth, so you use it for something else. Okay, so the theme this month was The Beat, and her colors was like the black, white, and the red, and some gold. Really cute. And you'll see why it was called The Beat in 1 second. So you get this pen that says the Jewel Box on it. And I love these pens because I love the colors. I love the way they write. They write really well. Do I have something to write on? They write really well. They have a fine tip. And I love the colors. And then she also has a stamp here. And it's just the same, if you can see a little bit better. So here is a enamel pen. Really cute. So it's the same. She's making the same beat face. Let's see if I can open it. Really nice. And then you get a washi tape here, and the washi tape says "Thou shalt not try me" 24/7. So it almost looks like a scripture. Let's see. Yeah, with the diamond there. Let me put it on the paper so you guys can see. Thou shalt not try me 24/7. Love. I always love her washi tapes. And then you get some stickers here in this little cute bag that you want to keep, and also the little sticker. And you can make dashboards and so forth out of them, guys. And then here you have like your little Kate Spade purse. And then it looks like a scripture or a quote, "Thou shalt not try me." Mood 24/7. But first makeup, some lashes, and everyone her arm, or it's an arm here with some swatches. Really cute. Some lipstick, a lip brush, the beat, some diamonds, the face here all beat, some lip gloss, lipstick. Their face is beat, honey, beat. And then a makeup palette, lip gloss. Love, 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 love. And then here's some quotes here: smile, eyebrows, or quote stickers. Yeah, script stickers. Eyebrows speak louder than words. Just wing Wing It Life eyeliner and everything. I'm not perfect, but my lashes are. Home is where your makeup stash is, but first makeup. Love it. And then like on her website, she'll have like all these items like separately. So if you wanted extra stickers or enamel pen or papers or something like that. Then here are some die cuts. And you may want to keep this paper for something. So here is an arm with her nails done with arm swatches of lipsticks, eyeshadow. Here's an iPad palette compact or compact. And then her eyebrows, her face beat. Here's a brush, some lashes. Love her face. It is done immaculately. Super extra. Some lip gloss. Palette. Love, 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 love. Really cute. So all those die cuts. And then you get some, what are these called? Motivational cards, quote cards, wake up and make up, keep calm and beat that face to the gods, thou shalt not try me, my lipstick stay popping. Love it. Love the gold foiling. And then lastly and not least is her papers. So here you get some acetate paper here with the gold foiling of the lips and the lashes. Isn't that pretty? You just don't want to use it or cut it. You don't want to use it, but you got to use it to show it. And then the black and white stripe. This is a classic. You can use it for so many different things. And then on this side is the Makeup Queen. I love how her box, everything just ties in together really well. The red and white polka dots. And the black and white. I don't know if that is like a, it's not like a zebra print, but it looks like maybe hair or something, lashes maybe. I don't know, y'all. So you get 2 sheets of each. And that goes with that, with the black and white. And then you get this print here with the diamond print on the other side. Really nice. So this is the jewel box. And I have shared it on my other channel, so I'll make sure I will link that below. But I love her items. I wanted to go ahead and haul this so I can take this enamel pen, put this pen with my other pens, put this enamel pen on my little bag, put my little washi with the rest of my washi. But I just love the uniqueness of their washi tapes. That's what I want to say. So I put them all together. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye-bye.